In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight into the video. So here, I would like to go and launch my Facebook application, as you should of course if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, you'll actually find the posts of your friends maybe, or your posts as well, the posts of the groups, pages that you liked, that you're interested on, that you follow, and something like that, of course, etc. So here, all you want to do if you want to create an event, just go and click at the three lines at the top right corner there. Then click at events here. Then, as you can see, we have a plus icon at the top right corner again. Go click on that. Then, of course, if you want to create an event online or in person, choose whatever you want. So for me, I'm just gonna click on online. Of course, choose here whatever you want as well. For me, general. You would like to give it a name. For me, test. Then, of course, you can choose privacy. For me, I'm just gonna choose like private. Only people that I will invite. Here, choose whatever you want, Messenger Room or Facebook Live. Like maybe Messenger Room. Add the description, testing. Click at next. And here, I'll just, if you want, add a profile. Of course, I can add it. Click at done. And as you can see, if I click at create event, it will take like some time here. So let's just wait. And as you can see here, I can invite guests of course, because I actually make it private. So as you can see, that's here my event, and I am good to go. So that's all be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.